All right, guys, what's up? Almighty Trades back again. Time is 9:46, January 15th. Trading regular. Don't gotta explain it no more. But I see a setup right here, fair value gap right here on Microsoft. We're gonna make it. We're gonna okay, yeah. Just made the fair value gap, and obviously I'm playing calls. It broke structure. Let's zoom out a little bit. Mind you, these are all lines that I have on like from other days, like from months ago, weeks ago. So they're already here for guidelines. It's already easy for me. So now I just have to go to my next line. I have a resistance point right here at 426.23. So that will be my take profit. It's already moving pretty nice. Let's check the hourly. On the hourly, I'm sorry if it look a little messy. I know it look a little messy, but I know what I'm looking at. We got like a little gap here. It's about right here. Let me move this line up. It's about right here. We got a nice little gap. So I'm gonna assume it's gonna fill that gap. And that's what I'm gonna play today. 15-minute looking pretty good. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna be playing. Let's check the volume. Ooh, look at all of this volume right here. A lot of buying pressure. So I'm definitely playing calls if we get the retracement. I'm hoping this is a quick one today, guys. I'm not trying to be in this all night. Let me check Tesla real quick. Or anything else that might be. Ooh, okay. Nothing. We almost got something on Apple. Not completely. And let me make something clear, guys. When it's a fair value gap, you want to trade, like, for example, which one was it? Was it Tesla? Or let me check Netflix maybe. All right, back to which one was it? I don't forgot. Microsoft. You want to make sure it's an actual gap. Like, don't just pick any random. Like, for example, like somebody might think like this is a fair. No, that's not a good example. All right, somebody might think this right here is a fair value gap. Like, this is not a fair value gap. Yes, it's three candles in one direction, but it has to actually make a gap. Like, it has to be like spaced out candles. They should not engulf each other. Put it like that. They should not engulf. You see how these candles, this one and this one and this one, they're like, it makes a whole gap. They don't engulf each other. They're separate. That's what you want to trade. If you hear that in the background, that's the train. I'm sorry. I live in New York City, man. But so let me explain further. Made my fair value gap. Let me do it again for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. It made a big move. It broke the structure I had, which is just like some resistance points that I already plotted days ago or weeks ago, months ago, who knows. But so I'm using this candle right here to this third one that's still forming in 30 seconds. So all I do, make a rectangle. So I connect all three of those candles with high buying pressure. They're high, strong green candles, a lot of buying pressure. I'm saying buying pressure because of the volume right here. So let's go over the three. It made a fair value gap to the upside. It's a lot of volume and it broke the resistance levels. That's all I look for every day. That's it. Once I get those three things, all I want to do is see price come down into this box. I'm going to buy calls and then watch it go back up if my setup works. But that's the method. That is the infinite money glitch right there. I'll say if you do it right and don't pick any random fair value gap, you have like a 85 to 90% win rate. And the market usually picks his move around 10, but let's see if we get a retracement now. Microsoft tends to just go and go and go and don't retrace. So hopefully I get the retracement because Microsoft will just take off before you can even enter. And I'm going to be getting, let's see, the fair value gap is about at 423.30. That's the price the stock could be at once it comes to this level. So I'll be playing. Let me get the exact for y'all. I'll be playing Microsoft. I'm sorry, give me 1 second. When it retraces, I'll be playing Microsoft 425 calls. I hope it retraces now. I'm excited. I want to get in. But this is the thing, you gotta be patient. I could get it now, like feel like I'm just chasing. I'm just chasing. This bull running might go on, but it's already up $9 for the day. It may be trying to recover from that and come down a little bit. But regardless, I am playing calls. I've seen Microsoft go up like $15 a day, so this is very well within its means to keep going. I really want to play Tesla too. Let me see if Tesla give me some. Not yet. You see how these candles like they're engulfing each other. This would not be a fair value gap. Netflix usually has good. Look at this. This right here on Netflix is a fair value gap. I'm gonna plot this too. Whichever one comes first, I'm gonna take. So we have Netflix and Microsoft so far. This is a fair value gap. You see how this candle, this one and this one, they don't engulf each other. It just straight. They straight make it literally a gap. And I would take this one probably isn't the best setup because I want to see it go above this. I have a resistance line here. I want to see it break that first, and then I'll probably take profit at this resistance line. But you know what, guys? I might do two trades for y'all in one video. So I'm gonna look at these Netflix contracts because they may be very well may print. I would do 840 calls. I just want to let me look at the volume. Can't get in without the volume. I'm gonna get in right here. I'm going to be super transparent with you guys. It's a lot of volume for buying. I like it. Um, I'm going to let this candle finish though, because this may. I don't want to get in too soon prematurely. You see? Let's see if it gets. I want to see a nice wick. I want to see it get bought up, a nice wick, and then we're going to go check on Microsoft after this. This is an example of making a fair value gap prematurely. I should have waited for this candle to fully form because you already see if this doesn't even go back to green, this wouldn't even be considered a fair value gap. That's the thing. You have to watch out for making premature fair value gaps. Let the full three candles form unless you can read the chart properly. I might get in prematurely because I see the it wicking up as I said. So it looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. This is a risk. I got in, guys. I got filled that one contract for $783. I'm gonna let this play out. I got faith in I have faith in Microsoft. I mean, I'm sorry. This is Netflix. We already green. I'm gonna put my stop loss about the middle of the fair value gap. And I want to take it at least to right here. So we'll see what happens. Microsoft is still going up. I'm looking at it on the right side of the screen. It didn't come down yet. We looking pretty good on Netflix. I'm gonna let that ride out for a little bit. I probably got in too early, but it's okay. Let's go back to Microsoft. Microsoft need to give us a nice retracement so I could play it. Microsoft was really my one for today. Netflix was just random. Don't do what I do, guys. I'm just showing you live what I do, mistakes and everything. If I lose, I lose. I'm down $5 on Netflix. Nothing too crazy. Now I'm down 28. Let's look at it and make sure we're not getting cooked. I might get out. This wasn't the play for the day for real. Technically, it's still made a fair value gap in a way, but this is not what you want to see. This is a premature fair value gap. And I think we're getting ready. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and get out of this Netflix. So I think Microsoft is ready. Not yet. I want to see what happens with this Netflix first. I'm currently down $20, not a huge loss. So if I get out, I'm not going to cry about it. I didn't really lose anything. It's not really doing anything currently. What is this? Okay, there we go. I want to see it get bought up. Let's see if we at least flip to a little bit of profit. I'm currently down $13 on Netflix. Now I'm up $12, just like that. So I love the stock market. Let's print. I'm up $42, 5%. That's why I love expensive contracts. It make you money quicker. I'm up 42. That's 5%. Okay. Wait, got another push up. I'm up 72. That's 9%. That's 9%. You're looking pretty good here. Good play. Good play. And I'm gonna include screenshots for you guys as well, of course. Netflix, Microsoft is coming back down. I'm gonna take my little profit on Netflix because this was not my main trade for the day. So I'm gonna take this. Wait, hold on. Now I'm up. What's that? It is a wick. But I'm up 75. That's 9%. 80. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here at 80. Quick bag. Quick bag. Super quick. And that was a random play. I was not even looking at Netflix. So I just sold. I'm gonna include a screenshot. I just sold for $75. And let's see what that does. Let's see what that does. But let's go back to Microsoft. Microsoft is getting ready. Quick scalps. You see that, guys? That's beautiful. How long was that? About 5 minutes? 3 minutes? Nice, quick scalps. And it's still going. I could have reprint. I could have been printing some more because Netflix prints. Look at that. I'm gonna come back and show you a screenshot what this end up doing. And this might be the one for the day. Who knows? Maybe I baited getting out early, but I'm gonna go back to Microsoft. And Microsoft is forming right here. Let's get ready. I'm doing 425 calls. I'm entering again. Whoa. You see this right here? All this, look at all that selling pressure. That's a lot. I might have to change my mind on that, guys. I might not get in. Let's see. It's in the fair value gap now. Let's see if it wicks. If it wicks, show me something sexy. I might get in real quick. The contracts are way cheaper than Netflix, so I'm okay with losing on this. I want to see a nice wick. I want to see if it get bought up. Let's see. Because it could be done uptrending for the day and it can recover and then go back to okay, nice wick. I'm getting in. Nice wick. I'm getting in, guys. Filled. One contract. At 275, one contract. I'm currently down $4. Let's create. Oh, Netflix is booming, guys. I should have stayed in Netflix. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here at that resistance line that I had plotted, and I entered about here. I'm up $4 on Netflix. I'm on Microsoft. Well, I keep saying Netflix and other shit. And my stop loss, yes, that next resistance line I have right here plotted. I'm up $9, guys. That's 3% on Microsoft. Let's look at Netflix real quick. Let's see if we're missing out on the bag. Okay, Netflix is still looking pretty good. I should have held, but it's okay. Let's see if we get the nice play on Microsoft. Okay, Netflix is coming down a little bit. I see it on the right side of the screen, which I'm happy about because that means I got out at a good time. Oh, now it's going back up, but whatever. Okay, I'm up $19 on Microsoft at 7%. So that's already about what, $90 for the day. I only been on the laptop for about 15 minutes. $21 at 7%. I might cut here. I might cut at 10% because you know what? I actually got. I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna revamp this a little bit. And why can't I see the top of the? There we go. I'm gonna revamp this. I'm just gonna take it since I already made a play on Netflix. I'm gonna take this to the high of the day, and that's it. So not for long. I'm not gonna hold this for long. Taking it to the high of the day, and that's it. Catch a little scalp. So I already hit Netflix. Wow, guys, wait. Let's look at Netflix. Look at that. Look at that. Patience pays. I made a video before this saying patience pays. Look at this. You know how much money I'll be printing right now? if I stayed in that contract. Wow. But hey, it is what it is. Look at that. Netflix is going. That fair value gap was a banger. All right, back to Microsoft though. All right, that's 10% on Microsoft. I'm out. I'm out. I'm getting out. Just like that, your boy is done for the day. I'm out. Sold. So I made 105 in 16 minutes. I made, let's see, I made 30 oh, I'm sorry. Give me a second. So I'll give you guys the exact numbers. Wow. I'm really mad about on Netflix. I sold Netflix at, okay, let me give you guys something. Okay, I bought Netflix at 783, $783, and I sold at $858, and now the contracts are at $945. I could have made almost an extra 100, and that's while it's wicking. That's while it's right here. It was up here like a couple seconds ago. I could have made like maybe like 100, or I mean like 150 or 200. And let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft looking good. That's easy, guys. Straight like that. That's how you scout. I'm gonna include screenshots. I made 105. It's been about 17 minutes. I started at 9:45, and that's it. Quick scalps. All you need is a fair value gap. Y'all seen it live. It's that easy. All you need is a nice percentage, and you're good. You make your money. It could replace your job. But all right, guys, I'm gonna tap in with y'all on the next one. I'm gonna. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna try to upload every trading day that whether I lose or win. I don't care if I get one view. I'm gonna tap into the right audience soon, but I want to get a little group going. We can start small. If y'all play games, we could play a little PlayStation, whatever. Make a little group chat. We could just chop it up, talk stocks, talk whatever we need to talk about, and still have a little bit of fun. And then eventually, when I get a bigger community, I'll go Discord. But look at that. Microsoft is printing. And that's it for the day, guys. I'm done. I'm gonna tap out. See you on the next one. Enjoy.